Hi, hello. My name is Gadus. I'll be showing my work for homework set 7 on the additional problem. And we were asked to generate 10 random numbers from -100 to 100 and to save this randomly generated number in a list and create a function to count how many odd numbers, even numbers are in the list, and then to sum up all the even numbers in the list as well. Okay, so I started off here. My first function here is to count the even numbers in the list, and here, as you can see, I have defined a function called even, which takes in the parameter list lst. So here we start our initial count with 0, and then for I in lists, I stands for the the numbers in our list, and if when I is divided by 2, and if we get the remainder 0, then our count will be incremented by 1, and then after that we'll return count. And second function right here is to calculate to count the odd numbers in the list, and same thing as as this function right here, but the only difference is that here our if statement right here is if I is divided by 2 and we get a number, a remainder that's different from 0, then our count is incremented by 1. And third is for the even numbers right here, and here we'll start our initial was 0. Let's say s equals 0, and for I in list, and same thing as we used for the first function right here, same formula for as the first one. And here, if I is divided by 2 and we get a remainder that's 0, then s will add I, which is the number in our list. Since s is equal to 0, this doesn't matter, so after that it'll just keep on adding all the items on the list if this condition is met or is true, and then finally it returns the s for this function for sum of even numbers. Here, this statement right here, input random, this is what I use to generate random numbers. Here, as you can see, put in list1 equals random.sample range from -100 to 100, and second, and we store this right here to list, and you can see we used all the lists here. This is what we did, import statement, and after that we have the randomly generated list, prints out the list, and then same thing for this, even calls the first function, second function, and third finally. I'll show you. So these are the numbers that it generated, 10 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 numbers. Okay, so here you can see number of even numbers right here are 4, and odd numbers 6, and the sums 142. To run it again, this time we'll get a different number, and same thing for this one, even number list 4, odd number 6, -124, because we have a bunch of negative numbers here since our list contains numbers from -100 to 100. Thank you.